Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy Ann. I'm here to show you two regular style that I wear on my little short locks. As you can see, I made a video share with you all that now I am wearing small micro locks. And when I started out, my hair was really short, and I couldn't wear my hair anyhow I want because if you notice here, my edges are completely gone. Braids, many years ago, braids took them away. So at that time I didn't have enough hair to cover. Now my hair is growing, so I am able to cover down a little, not fully as I would want, but it's going somewhere. So my first style that I wear on a regular basis is with a scarf. I would fold it like this, fold it to this size, and then I would just put it close as possible, and then I would make two tight about 2 times. That's 1, 2, and I would leave it like this, or I would just make a bow. However I feel that day. If I feel to wear it hanging, or I just put it like that. And I don't wear my hair like this. I never wear it like this because well, now that my hair grew more, this look like a nice style to wear also. But I would normally wear my hair like this. This would be my regular go-to hairstyle. And as you can see, this look like a more nicer style. So that's how I wear my hair. That's one of my basic style. Now the other one would be where there are other style also. Maybe in the future I will show you, but I'm showing you these two today. So this is the other one I would wear also. This is my little favorite hat, so I would just put it on my head. Yeah, look at those girls hanging. Look at them. So yeah, I would wear my little hat. Yeah. So this is my two style that I would wear regular with my little microlocs. Anyway guys, thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more video when I make, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for stopping by.